What's up everybody? Today I'm going to be testing out this headlight restoration kit. So the test subject is going to be my wife's van here. The headlights are pretty hazy and oxidized. I'm going to be using this Rain-X restoration kit. We'll see how it works. There's a bunch of kits out there. Most of them work the same way. You kind of sand it and work using finer and finer sandpaper to clear off the haze, and then usually have some kind of coating that goes on the top of it. So I'm starting out by putting the painter's tape around the light so you don't damage the paint. This kit didn't come with the tape. I've seen some that do, but you're going to want to do that so you don't mess up your paint. So I'm just wetting down the light, and then I'm going to start sanding it. I'm going to start with the coarsest sandpaper and then work up to the finer. Okay, I'm just cleaning it off just to see if I got most of that big oxidation off. It's looking quite a bit better. There's still a little bit of oxidation right here in the center, so I'm going to hit that one more time and then we'll move up to the finer sandpaper. Alright, so now I'm going up to the finer grit. Once again, I'll just wet it and sand it. Alright, so I've done 2 sanding so far, and there's one that's even finer. And you can already tell, comparing this headlight to the other side, that it's made a huge difference. So let's go ahead and finish this one and see how it turns out. So I did the final sanding, then it calls for this polishing compound. It says put about a nickel size on this pad that comes with the kit, and then hit it once more with that. So let's put that on, see how it looks, and then we'll finish it off with a kind of a coating of something that they give you. Alright, so that's after the polishing compound. And then if you compare that to the headlight that's not done yet, you can see it's a huge difference. So right now, that looks great. I'm really happy with how it's turned out. Now, as I mentioned, the last step is to wipe it down with this protective sealant. But on the instructions it says this starts to cure as soon as you open this. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other light, get it all prepped just like this one, and then we'll do this very last. It's been a couple days since I finished refinishing these headlights, and as I was editing the video I realized that I didn't capture on video the last step of putting the sealant on the headlights. It's pretty easy. It's just in a package. You open it up, it looks like a wipe, it's wet, you wipe it on the lights, and that's it. Now you do have to let it cure. One thing you might notice, the weather's turned a little worse here. So you do want to let that sealant cure for 8 hours. So you want to make sure you don't have any rain or snow in the forecast like you might see in my background here. Now I got that sealant on before it started snowing here, so I think I should be fine. I hope this video was helpful. If so, remember to subscribe to my channel and like the video.